Deputy President of the Supreme Council for Youth and Sports, President of the General Sports Authority, and President of the Bahrain Olympic Committee, His Highness Sheikh Khalid bin Hamad Al Khalifa, inaugurated the third edition of the West Asian Paralympic Games 2022 Bahrain at the ceremony held in Arad Fort in the presence of a number of officials and heads of participating delegations. His Highness Sheikh Khalid announced the commencement of the Games, in which 11 countries are participating with 700 athletes. His Highness expressed pleasure in inaugurating the third edition of the Games, expressing pride that Bahrain is the host, which affirms the kingdom's status as a host of various sports, championships and events. His Highness stated that holding this edition is an addition to the successes made by the kingdom in hosting the 2021 Asian Youth Paralympic Games, which affirms the kingdom's readiness at the logistical and organizational levels, expressing hope that the edition achieves success and wishing all the participating teams success. The President of Bahrain Paralympic Committee and President of the Supreme Organizing Committee, Sheikh Mohammed bin Da'i Al Khalifa, delivered a speech in which he welcomed the attendees and participants, hailing the unlimited support of the leadership of the Sports March of the People with Disabilities. The Games banner was raised and the ceremony concluded with an artistic show of Bahrain's hosting of the Games. The chairman of the Shura Council, Ali Al